Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a delicious, nutritious and super easy dessert. It's no bake, no cook, vegan, paleo, sugar-free, gluten-free, chocolaty and oh so scrumptious. Date and chocolate fudge. So let's start. For this we need 500 grams dates. I'm taking two types of dates, one dark in color and the other one is lighter. But both have different flavors. It would bring another wonderful flavor if we merge both. But if you don't have two types of dates, then it's okay, no problem, you can use one. We're gonna soak the pitted dates in boiling water for 10 minutes, but if you are using fresh dates, then no need for this. Other ingredients are 20 grams flaxseed powder, 15 grams organic chia seeds, 20 grams naturally unsweetened cocoa powder, 90 grams desiccated coconut, and 140 grams walnuts. Now drain the dates and put them in chopper. Then coarsely chop walnuts so that they are easier to blend. Here again you can use any kind of dry fruits like almonds, pecans, pistachios or in a combination. It's up to your personal choice. Then add rest of the ingredients one by one. Flax seeds, chia, cocoa, coconut and chopped walnuts. All these ingredients are so good from health point of view, highly nutritious and give instant boost of energy. In the end, you can also see its nutritious value. Now blend everything until they are nicely smooth. Here, if you feel that your mixture is too soft, then add a little more chia seeds or flax seeds powder. They're gonna thicken it. But if you feel that it's too thick, then add a little coconut milk or water. Now line any baking tray or pan with a cling wrap and take out the mixture. You can see its consistency, it's quite thick and sticky. Now fold one side of the wrap and then the other and spread the mixture. This wrap will be your guide. Make a square and then pat the mixture to fill spaces. It should be around an inch thick. Then flatten everything with a rolling pin. Then refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours so that it is nicely set. Or put that in freezer for 15 minutes if you are in a hurry. Meanwhile, let's make chocolate toppings. Chop 200 grams sugar-free chocolate. I have used dark chocolate with 70% cocoa solids and sweetened with stevia. And add same amount, that is 200 grams of coconut cream and microwave it for 2 minutes to melt the chocolate. Then whisk thoroughly. Your ganache is ready. Look at the consistency, it should be runny. If you feel it's thick, then microwave again for a minute and a half, it will be fine. Take out fudge. Now pour the chocolate mixture or ganache and spread with the help of a spatula. If you don't have it, no problem, you can use the back of a spoon also and make a swirl. Now pop it again in fridge to set for 10 minutes. Bring it out from refrigerator and then transfer to a parchment paper for cutting. As the mixture is too sticky, so I oil my knife first to have a clean and smooth cut. First cut in half and then in quarters. As they are quite rich, that's why I am making 16 portions. Now decorate with any kind of toppings. I am putting walnuts on one half and coconut on the other. Dish them out. Look at the texture. It's rich, it's chocolatey and decadent and loaded with numerous nutritional benefits. Enjoy it with a cup of tea or coffee. They are delicious. And more importantly, people who have some kind of egg or gluten allergies or people on special diets like Paleo, they can also enjoy it without any guilt. Here is its nutritional chart. Hope you have enjoyed today's recipe. See you again with another flavorful recipe. Take care. Bye-bye.